Need to create a bookmark in Safari on your iPhone? It's super easy and a great way to save your favorite websites for quick access. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Create a bookmark. Open Safari on your iPhone. Navigate to the website you want to bookmark. For me, I'll open apple.com for example. Tap the share icon, a square with an arrow pointing up, at the bottom of the screen. From the share menu, select Add Bookmark. Edit the title if needed and choose the location for the bookmark. For example, bookmarks or favorites. Tap Save. Solution 2. Access your bookmarks. Open Safari, tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll see your saved bookmarks under the selected folder. You can rename, move, or delete bookmarks as needed. Tap Done when you're finished. Now that you know these steps, managing and creating bookmarks in Safari on your iPhone is a breeze, making it easier to return to your favorite website.